Have you ever wondered if the Qur'an holds secrets hidden in numbers? What if I told you that beneath the surface of its verses there are patterns so precise, so mathematically stunning, that they'll make you question what you thought you knew about this ancient text? Today, I'm diving into the mind-blowing world of Quranic word count miracles. And trust me, you're about to see the scripture like never before. These are not just random coincidences, but patterns that have fascinated scholars, scientists, and curious minds for centuries. Let's start with something simple but utterly astonishing, the Arabic word Yawm, which means day. It pops up exactly 365 times throughout the Quran. Yes, you heard that right. 365, just like the number of days in a solar year. Imagine, over 1,400 years ago, a book was revealed that matches the solar calendar we use today down to the very day. That's not just poetic, it's mathematically exact. Coincidence? Maybe, but let's keep going. Because the deeper you look, the more these patterns start to stack up. Now, what about months? The word Shahr, meaning month, is mentioned precisely 12 times in the entire Quran, matching the exact number of months in a year. It's as if the text is quietly echoing the structure of our calendar, embedding the rhythm of time itself into its very words. It's almost like someone wanted us to notice a pattern. These aren't just numbers, they're clues, inviting us to look closer, to think deeper. But here's where things get even more fascinating. Let's talk about land and sea. The word Barr, that sea, is mentioned 32 times, and it's not just about the number. It's about what that number represents. The word Bahr, meaning land, is found 13 times. These numbers might seem random at first, but when you put them together, something incredible emerges. Add them together. 32 plus 13 gives us 45 total mentions. Now let's see what happens when we turn these numbers into percentages. Sea is mentioned 32 times. So 32 divided by 45 equals 71.1%. That's the percentage of the Earth's surface covered by water according to modern science. Land is 13 out of 45, which comes out to 28.9%. And guess what? That's almost exactly the percentage of land on our planet. These are the exact same proportions of water and land found on Earth as confirmed by modern science. It's as if the Quran was mapping the planet long before we ever could. And just think, the Quran was revealed 1,400 years ago with no satellites, no Google Earth, and certainly no oceanographers. How could anyone have known these ratios in a world where